Hi! In front of me is Oppo A78 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. First of all, you need to open Recorder app. Now click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Settings. Over here you can pick, for example, recording file format. When you're ready, go back. And to start your recording, click on this red button. Select Allow in the pop-up. And as you can see, recording is now on. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, tap on the same middle button. You can always discard it right away by clicking on the top left corner and selecting Leave and Delete Recording. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this left button. In order to add a photo one, click on the right one instead. Choose Agree and Continue. Then Allow. And while using the app, or only this time. Finally, take a picture. If you don't like it, tap on this X on the left to discard it. Then take the other one. And to add it, select check mark on the right. Now to end and save your recording, you can pause it if you want to. And tap on this check mark at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, I can finally name it and click on Save. In order to play your recording, click on it. If you wish to delete it instead, go back, hold it, and select Delete option at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!